Hello and welcome back to TDEM TV. I'm Caitlin and today we have Gabriella Stermoli. She's TDEM's Division Chief of Preparedness and we are very excited to have her on today to help build a Go Kit in preparation for hurricane season. So Gabby, why is it so important for folks to practice preparing for hurricane season today?
Preparing should be a year-round endeavor. We should always strive to be prepared no matter what the incident. So it's essential to have the supplies on hand, ready to go, and we recommend at least having water, food, and supplies to last 72 hours.
That's a great point. So as we said today, we're building an emergency kit. We each brought some stuff from home just to show you that it's super easy to look around your own home, look in your garage, under the sink, as you might already have lots of these items in your household. So Gabby, we'll start with you. What are some things that you brought today?
So the first thing we have is emergency documents. This is essential in a disaster to have your important documents, your insurance, your home insurance, your medical insurance, family contact information, cash on hand, and banking information. This information can be very difficult to obtain after a disaster. So keeping copies of it in your Go Kit is essential. All right, Caitlin, what did you bring for our Go Kit?
So I'm going to kick it off with pet supplies. So make sure that you've got some extra food on hand for your furry loved ones, and then if they're on any medication, make sure that you've got that on hand too. I've got an older dog, so I've got to keep her in mind, and then doggy bags as well. Make sure that you're cleaning up after your pet. Your Go Kit should last you and your family for at least 3 days. That means having 1 gallon of water per person per day for both drinking and sanitation purposes.
So the next item for our Go Kit is going to be food. We have our water, now we need our food to last 72 hours. Make sure your food is non-perishable. So here I have cans of tuna fish. It's also a good idea to keep supplies on hand to open the canisters in case you need to. We have some crackers to keep up your energy and peanut butter, great source protein.
So I've got toiletries with me, face wash, body wash, shampoo, toothbrush, toothpaste, things that you definitely are going to want with you if you're on your own for a couple days.
Don't forget, during disasters, pharmacies may be closed, so it's always a good idea to keep extra prescription medication on hand.
During hurricanes and flooding events, an influx of mosquitoes are usually expected, so you want to make sure you have extra bug spray in your Go Kit.
It's really important during a disaster to have access to information. This battery-powered radio also doubles as a flashlight. And don't forget your extra batteries.
This is a solar power phone charger, so in the event that you have lack of power, you can make sure that your phone's charged up to keep in contact with your friends and family during a disaster. It's always a good idea to have a set of clean clothes and a can of baby wipes.
During a disaster, you may be your family's first responder. It's always a good idea to have a first aid kit in your go bag. The first aid kit should contain things like gauze, bandages, disinfectant, non-prescription medication, all the essentials that you'll need. Also remember that the size of the first aid kit should reflect the size of your family.
So there you have it. Make sure that you check out your garage under the sink somewhere in your house, as you might already have plenty of the items that we talked about today. Gabby, thank you so much for coming in and visiting with us. For everybody watching at home, share this video with your friends, family, colleagues, and neighbors, as a prepared community is a safe community. Thanks for watching TDEM TV.